Thank you for being here with us today. It's a real pleasure having you here. Why did Latsco decide to pursue the PMP-CBM notation for a LA Sparta?
Thank you very much, Angele, for inviting me to this discussion. For us, it has been a natural development from the preventive maintenance that we've adopted on our fleet for the last decade. We've seen in the recent years that the prescriptive intervals given by the various makers do not correspond to the actual needs of the machinery and the vessel. So we've decided to move into smarter ways of carrying maintenance, aiming to do it when it's needed and how it's needed. That will give us the benefit of reducing any possible downtime, while at the same time controlling our OPEX.
Why did you choose ABS for the notation?
Condition-based maintenance techniques have been used extensively in the offshore industry, and they have not been used in the commercial shipping. We have taken into consideration the very big experience that ABS maintains in the offshore industry. Thus, we considered that would be the perfect partner for joining such an innovative project into the commercial shipping.